I'm going to show you how to change out your dust port on your Gen 2 Origin. Let's remove the finger guard and remove your spindle. It just makes it easier to move around the area. So unplug your spindle, loosen this area, and remove your spindle. And from here, we're going to move to the dust cover, the dust port. Over here, you'll see that there's 3 hex heads. One is right by the handle in this corner, and then there's 2, and then 3 over here. So we're going to loosen these and remove the port. So there's one, and then angling this in. There's 2. Angling it in. It's a tricky angle. And there's 3. So unhook your cable, remove, slide this out. Now, this is a good time to clean out any extra sawdust or dirt that's gotten in here, so let's do that. So now that everything's cleaned out, let's insert our new dust port. You'll see this kind of curve should follow the side of the handle, and the hole lines up, and now we can tighten. And we move to the next one. Again, we're going to have to angle a bit in this area. So that's tightened. I'm going to readjust this one a little bit. Okay, now that everything's tightened, your dust port is good to go. Just insert your spindle and you can go ahead and cut.